the imminent danger of a burnover. An established protocol where the crew secures themselves inside using Velcro blankets and breathing masks, as water is sprayed externally to prevent ignition. Grippingly, the crews from the leading truck urgently explain their predicament. Their sprinkler system failure renders them defenseless against a burnover. Forced to make a bold decision, they plunge forward, vanishing into the scorching abyss. Miraculously, their choice proves pivotal and leads to their salvation. They successfully navigate through the heart of the raging fire, emerging on the other side with only minor injuries, alongside their counterparts in the truck with the dash cam.